I'll show you how to send a transfer out of your Revolut account. If you're sending in your own country or internationally, it's the same process. So at the bottom where it says payments in the middle here, just click that. I've got a couple of recipients set up already, but if you don't, go to the top right hand side of the screen and press the plus icon. Now from here, there's a few different ways to send money. So in the left hand side here, it says Revolut. If you know the other user is a Revolut user, you can use their Rev tag and you can send internally via Revolut. So that is a lot quicker and easier. If not, then you're going to put the bank details in. If you press the bank icon, that's domestically, and then international is if you're sending an international payment. For the most part, international payments use the SWIFT network, which is a little bit expensive and you do have to pay that transfer fee. Most of the time, domestic bank transfers these days are free, depending on which country that you live in. In any case, if you press bank or international, it's going to take you through to the same screen. It's going to block the screen for me, but I've got a screenshot here. You just want to add the recipient. So get their account details, their name, their account number. If you're sending internationally, you need their SWIFT code. So you need to go and get that as well, put their names in and everything like that. If you want them to get notified when you send the payment, you can put their email address in as well, but you don't have to. If you're sending domestically, it's slightly different. So for example, in the UK, you'll use an account number and a sort code. Again, just get the bank details here, put them in, and then add the recipient. Then you can go and choose the recipient to send money to after this. Once you've added the recipient, go back to the payments page and you should now see their name and also a logo of the bank that you're going to send to. Revolut can get the logo via the bank details that you've given. So click on that name. It's going to blank the screen out for me, but this is what the screen should look like. And I've got some previous payments here, which you can all see once you've made some payments. But if you don't, you should just click this down at the bottom where it says send. And then from here, it's going to ask you how you actually want to send the money. So for me, this is a domestic transfer initially, which I'll show you. In the UK is pounds. So I've got £10. There are no fees because the UK banking system won't charge any fees. And you can press continue. From here, it's just going to double check the details. So how much do you want to send? You can choose that. Sent from Revolut, you can see what they get because there are no fees. It's just a domestic transfer for me in the UK. If you're sending internationally, it's exactly the same process, but we do have to factor in the international transaction fees. And also, do you need to do a foreign currency exchange as well? So I've got pounds, but let's say I want to send dollars abroad. Well, I have to switch the pounds into dollars first and then send the dollars over the SWIFT network. You can do this first, or you can do it all at the same time that you make the payment to figure out how much the fees are and how much the recipient gets. If you want to do it first, just go to move. It's in the middle here. I'm going to exchange pounds for dollars, let's say. It's going to show me how many dollars I get, so that can go in my account. Then from there, you can send the dollars out to the international bank account. Or, because the fees may change, what we can do is tell Revolut exactly how much we want the recipient to get, and then it's going to tell us how much we have to spend in a different currency if we're doing a foreign currency exchange. So go to payments. Then I've added the recipient here with a foreign currency account. So I'm going to click that. Then this is what it looks like. So it says, how much do you want to send? This right here, if it's dollars or anything else, choose how much you want the recipient to get. And it's going to tell you how much you're going to have to pay. If you've got that currency already, it's just going to take it out of that currency account. If you don't, you can do a foreign currency exchange at the same time and just spend exactly how much that it's going to cost you. So let's say that I want to send an amount to the foreign currency account abroad. It's going to tell me this is how much that you have to spend. You have to spend the money, obviously, and then extra fees involved as well. So if you click this icon right here, this information icon, this is the breakdown of the payment. The recipient gets this amount. There's an exchange rate because I'm doing a foreign currency exchange. You can see right here. And also there are fees as well for the payment. And that's going to change depending on which currency that you're using, where you're sending it and everything else. So that's going to change. So this is easier if you don't know how much it's going to cost. Just tell Revolut exactly what the foreign currency account wants to receive, and then it's going to tell you how much it's going to cost you. I'll leave my full Revolut guide down in the description if you need it. I'm James, this is MoneyZG. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.